Unlock a world of movies and shows blocked in your region. Here's how to use Surfshark VPN with Netflix. First, you'll need to download and install the Surfshark VPN application. You can find it on their official website. Once installed, open the Surfshark app. You'll see a list of server locations. This is where the magic happens. To access Netflix libraries from a different country, like the US, simply tap or click on the country you want to connect to. For this example, we'll choose the United States. After a few moments, you'll see a confirmation that you're connected now. Head over to Netflix. You should now see content available only in that selected region. This allows you to bypass geo-restrictions, giving you access to a much broader selection of movies and TV shows. Whether you're craving a specific anime, a critically acclaimed drama, or a new blockbuster, Surfshark helps you find it. Simply browse through the Netflix catalog as you normally would. The content you're seeing is now tailored to the server location you've chosen. Not only does Surfshark Netflix unlock content, but it also ensures your streaming is secure and private. Your actual IP address is masked, protecting your online activity. So, there you have it, a simple way to enhance your Netflix experience with Surfshark VPN. Enjoy your expanded entertainment library.